we'll talk about how can you set goal on your Mimo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Mimo app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here, and just click here on profile. It's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this and click on it here, and just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on set call, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you select your goal in this list here. So then when you down click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.